So, if you have your time slots scheduled for your parent teacher conference, and you're going to go through them and you're going to find some of your conferences are virtual and some are in person. So, let's say that I want to change the appointment slots on my calendar for the ones that are virtual and make them a different color so I know that that's a virtual appointment. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to this first one right here, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click edit. Once I click edit, over here, I can go beside my name where there's a color, and I can select an event color. So right now I have training and personal, but I'm going to go ahead and add a label, and I'm going to create one that is, well, let's go blueberry. And I'm going to make this virtual appointment. And I'm going to save that. So now I'm going to go here again and I'm going to select a virtual appointment. And then I'm going to save this. So now you can see that that appointment appears in that blueberry color rather than the purple one. So let's say that this one is also a virtual appointment. Again, I'm going to go in, click on it, edit it, and just change it to the virtual appointment and save it. So now I have a quick and easy way to see of all my appointments that are booked, which ones are virtual and which ones are in person.